everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the secret fishing spot in Classic Island Fish It. So in this latest update, we got a brand new area called Classic Island, and there's actually a hidden fishing spot here that works like a secret Easter egg like that. So here's how to find it. First, just start from the end, pizza man, this spot, and then just go straight to the back. Keep moving forward until you find the beach the beach mark like this. And once you're there, turn right over here at the wall. And then next you will need to walk through the wall and then pass through another wall again like this. Just jump and then just go to this door, and then like this you will find the secret fishing spot like this. Just aim and then next just equip your rod, and right here just start fishing over here like this. Now if you want to go deeper inside this hidden area, you will need special rod skin like corruption's aids and then pen hammer and then eternal flower. But even you don't have those, don't worry, you can still fish from the outer part of this spot like this. You just can go further in. And okay, that's it. Just try it out and see what you can catch in these secret locations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.